p squared minus p, then this positive 4 coming to the left side become negative 4, which is equal to 0. Now this is the standard equation of a quadratic equation. All right, then after that, we are going to now get our data. All right, so the coefficient of p squared is 1. It's 1p squared. All right, so we have p squared, which is whose coefficient is 1, and we have negative p, its coefficient is negative 1, and we have negative 4. So a standard equation of a quadratic equation is in the form of ap squared plus bp plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so our a, we have said that it is 1, the coefficient of that p squared. Then our b, it's negative 1 for the coefficient of that p, and our c is negative 4. Okay, that's how we collect data. All right, so let's go back to our quadratic formula. So we are going to say p, since you're finding the value of p, so say p is equal to negative b positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. All right, so we are going to say p is equal to, now we start replacing, because now we know that b is negative 1. Okay, so I'm going to have negative, open bracket, negative 1, positive or negative square root. So we have negative 1 squared here minus 4, open bracket, our a is positive 1 and our c is negative 4 over 2 multiplied by our a, which is 1. Gina love, I see you. So p is equal to negative times negative 1, we get positive 1. Right, positive or negative square root. So negative 1 squared, it's 1. Then negative 4 times 1, it is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4, we get positive 16. So we're going to have 1 plus 16 over 2 times 1, it is 2. So what I've done is I said 1 squared is 1. Then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. So 1 plus 16 is 17. All right, which we can easily, due to time, and we need to move fast, so we can just write 17 there. Okay, then after that, now since we are dealing with a quadratic equation, right, we need to find two values of p in this case. Okay, so we're going to break this into two parts. So p is equal to 1. Then we start with the positive sign, root 17 over 2. Then we say, or p is equal to 1 minus root 17 over 2. Then after that, knowing that we are dealing with paper 2, we can just quickly grab our calculator. So I'll work with you as we are solving. So we have, say, open bracket, 1 plus root 17, close bracket, over 2. So 1 plus root 17 over 2. And what we are getting is, let me see if you are able to see, we are going to get 2.5615 collecting to 1 dp, or 2 dp actually, to be 2.56. So the first value of p is 2.56. All right, now then we indicate that we left it in 2 dp. So this is the first value. Then we find the second value. So for second value, we do the same thing that we did. We say open bracket. All right, those with calculators, you can also do it on your own. All right, so open bracket, 1 minus root 17, close bracket, over, all right, over 2. And you're getting negative 1.561552.813, corrected 2 dp to be negative 1.56. So the other value of p is negative 1.56. It's also corrected into 2 dp. That's how you find such question. You are putting a